Yeah, absolutely. Now right here, you guys are in a good place because if this changes colors, which it just did, and it stays below VWAP, I'm out. I don't need to wait 25 to 40%. You could be down 2%. If that holds below VWAP and I got in anywhere, I'm out. Below VWAP signifies what, everyone?
Weakness.
Yes.
Going to the downside.
That's right. Weakness. So that is bearish to the downside, right? Why would I wait if everything says, why are you in this, right? Now, that does not mean this is not get out. There is a difference. When a candle pokes through, right now this is a little bit more definitive, but when a candle just breaks through, I don't do it. But if we get a confirmation, which is the second candle, I'm out. I don't need to wait. Right here, see ya.